To get a Zendesk API token, follow these steps. Log into Zendesk. Go to Zendesk and log into your admin account. Access API settings. Once logged in, click on the admin icon on the left sidebar. Under the channel section, select API. Enable token access. In the API section, make sure the token access option is enabled. This allows you to use API tokens for authentication. Create a new API token. Click on the Add API Token button. A new API token will be generated. Copy this token as it will not be visible again for security reasons. Use the API token. You can now use this API token for making authenticated requests to the Zendesk API. To do so, include it in the authorization header when making API calls. For example, when making a request via curl, the authorization header would look like the following. Store the token safely. Keep the API token secure, as it provides access to your Zendesk account data.